This is a Perry home in the front of Woodson's Reserve. It's a beautiful one-story, very well built. As you can see, it has a formal dining room to the right as you enter, and it has a really nice butler's pantry as you come through. And if we go back, you do have that home office with glass doors, and then 2 bedrooms, secondary bedrooms in the front part here with a full bath that services those 2 bedrooms. And then as you come down the grand hallway, it's very nice. It's a beautiful gourmet kitchen. As you can see, there's so much space here for cooking and just prepping vegetables, etc. It's just amazing. Really beautiful kitchen. Double ovens. As you can see here, the laundry is just off to the left of the kitchen. And then we have this beautiful flex space room here with the closed glass doors, tall doors as well. These are, I'm pretty sure they're 10-foot ceilings. They're really beautiful high ceilings. That was the laundry room door there. And as you see, we're going into the primary bedroom here. Good size, it's like a wood look tile. So very nice. And then separate vanities, separate gorgeous oversized shower, and then you have a really nice soaker tub here too. And very generous sized closet as well. And then of course the water closet, and there's a really nice linen closet in here as well. So just everything that you'd need. Huge living area here. That's the main living area. And then this is the guest bed. So it's just on the other side of the master or the primary. And really nice size, and then it's got a full bath, as you can see here. Really nice shower there. And then we have the outdoor. Now, everything out here, it's got the oversized covered patio, and then that is all turf that you see out there, so it's zero maintenance. So that's a really handy feature. Great for kids. You don't have to worry about bugs so much or any of that. So come and have a look. It's a beautiful home. Like I said, Perry home, and it is in the front part of the Woodson's Reserve.